It's exactly few days to become a year. My girl, my sales girl who lives with me actually did this to me. This is how she wraps money inside nylon and hide them inside clothes. Last year was a tough moment for me. I almost died. See clothes. I walk like an elephant and eat like, and look at the way she hides the money inside clothes. You see the way we are bringing it out. A lot of people thought that she was saving it in a saving box. It was a lie. I just don't want to even put the picture of this girl. This girl dealt with me. This is how she ties them in the nylon, bundle by bundle, and fix them in different clothes. Last year was hell for me. If a 18 to 19 years old girl can actually do this, about 30 years, man no ga business take berima. I will go 600 and there. Then right to I said the money. It was terrible. As all them season last year. Mwa me mahalo. Mwa we me trust to mother we na to moja. A lot of people were putting hate comments. For the channel one boy, for the channel one okay. He did hate comments. I could share account back at this video. This video just pop up, just for this video, I'm mini pom nanya. You could just use the girl say for the me good that time. Mana nka bu nka aflafu we just no na bank we pop to be nke we ego. Funding na 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 trust mmadu na trust onye go na na eme ye na eme nka. Be careful. A lot of people now roll like elephants and eat like ants. Na everybody na to esi ego. Na to esi ego. That is where so na mu na sta mu diri ego na shop. I'm a thrift vendor. Obu ni na ele okreka imalo. Enwe shops ebe na ele okreka. Okwa na eleta like this and okreka body vi ya guta nwa nwa azurukpa nwa na akwụ ụgwọ. Nwa mgbal Christmas 200,000 nye family ego. Nwa we me maru. Okwa ife okponte go n'ụtụtụ early in the morning were ekpele say akwa early in the morning 5 o'clock. Tetanụla. Jesus na akpọ gị ichena gị na mmadụ kwụ. Nene ego ọ bụ ndị na-eme POS ndị na-eme dorime emego udiri ya. Emego udiri ya. Mana ya dịba. If I bring a memory that I will never forget. It became a memory that I will never forget. I just say I'm post kene ya ka nchetakwe ife mere m ka ndokwa ndị mmadụ aka na ntị. Merry Christmas o gị nwa boye na azụ afia. Merry Christmas. Anya sakwa anya gị. Open your